Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today I'm gonna make a digestive biscuit. As a celiac, I miss the regular things in life like digestive biscuits. And we're gonna start by coarsely grinding our rolled oats. And I've got a gluten-free rolled oat here, and I'm gonna put that in my bowl. And I'm not using a mixer today because it's that easy to make. And then I'm gonna add my gluten-free all-purpose flour. And today I'm using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour. I trust this flour, hands down, cup for cup. It works amazing with any recipe. And then I've got brown sugar. I've got baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, some salt. Oh, and I got a little bit extra brown sugar there. I've got some milk. And I'm using a vegetable-based milk, so a soy milk is fine. A little bit of water. And finally, some olive oil. And you don't typically see olive oil in desserts because it's very heavy. But because it's a digestive biscuit, it makes it that fun texture of digestive biscuit. So we're just gonna mix this up until it's really well combined. And you can see already it's coming together quite nicely. Okay. It was that easy. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on my counter. And I've got a little bit of dusting flour here. And I'm going to dust this and just work it with my hands a little tiny bit. Just to dry it up just a tiny bit. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, and I'm gonna roll this out. And don't be shy with the flour. Lots of flour. And I'm going to roll this out to about 3 millimeters, 2 to 3 millimeters, or 1/8 of an inch thick. Now what I've got is I've got a round cutter, and you can also use a cup if you want. And I'm going to cut out rounds. What I like about this recipe, you can see little flecks of rolled oats in there, which is really fun. And my parchment paper lined baking sheet. And I'm going to place these not touching, just a little bit distance apart. And at this point, if you want to add a decorative design on it, you can. You can use a fork. If you have a cookie press, I have a cookie press here, which is kind of fun, so I'm just going to lightly press them, and it just has a fun little design. But you can see just how quick and easy this recipe is. And I've gone bananas on making these over the past week. They've just been so good. There we go, last one. These look so good so far. So I'm gonna put these into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. There we go, I baked them. They took exactly 15 minutes in my oven. I can't get over how great they look. I've already plated them. And you might be like, wait a minute, there's chocolate on those. Where'd that come from? So I tempered a little bit of dark chocolate. You can find the link in the description below of how to temper dark chocolate. I've already done a video on that. And then I just dipped them in the chocolate, and then I let that set up. But it's not about the chocolate, it's about the biscuit. So I want to give this a try. And you can see on the bottom side, nicely golden brown, golden on top, a little bit hard or crunchy, that's what you want. These taste just like regular Digestive biscuits. And I'm so happy I found them because they're one of my favorite cookies. I love the crunch, I love the texture, a little bit of oat in there. It's really, really good. I look forward to reading all of your comments. Thanks for watching.